Buckle up. I just burped 2 slices of toast with peanut butter. Thank you. They put the flags up. Penang flag, Malaysian flag. I'm proud to be a Malaysian. Last night, I must tell you the drama. Yesterday morning, 450 ringgit was banked into my account, okay? And our tenant sent me the photo of the receipt. And then last night at 10:37, another 450 ringgit was banked into my account, and she forwarded an old receipt dated back in June. And I was like, why? I thought she was being, sarcastic. Go on asking for the rent. No, I pay you two months rent. So then she sent me a voice note saying that she had banked in the money in the morning, and her ex-husband, the one who banked in the rent at night. So she asked if I could transfer 1 month's rent back to her. Then I thought, let it be for 2 months now, August and September. So I asked her, just leave it for, consider 2 months. So then next month I don't have to be chasing you again for rent. Of course, legally I can't do that, it's just a suggestion. Then I waited and waited for her reply. No reply. I went to bed. My phone was on silent mode. This morning, sent a voice note. She said she had pawned her earrings to send me the rent. I don't get it, She's a nurse. She's a nurse in a clinic. So, but I mean, of course and there's only, all the while living off of 2 people's salary, and then suddenly it's just 1 salary. I get it. I really get it. So I asked her for her account number and immediately transferred, refunded her money. It's just every month. That day I did reach out to her husband, after talking to Daddy. He sent me a voice note, and he sounded okay. He didn't sound mean or rude or what I was afraid of. stroller there. I forgot to. And I'm on the way back. Concentrate. Oh, it's Friday, you know. I keep thinking it's Thursday. Schools will be out early. Government offices, government departments as well. Stop at 11:30. Friday press is 5 to 11 now. All parked at the side waiting for school to be out. I think school's finished. Oh, this is what I hate right now. Double park. Father's Road. Okay. I'm cool. Go to the left lane. Saturday morning. Saturday morning we'll go to Tesco. Bananas. Go to the other. I keep saying Tesco. Wow, you're fast. Oh God. Oh my heart. I'm not going to sell tickets for anyone anymore. Okay. I'm cool. I'm fine. Oh, eagle. Look at the road, not the eagle. Go to the right, you get on the First Penang Bridge. Talking and concentrate. So close. the road. Almost. Look at the next exit. Literally holding my breath. Can you see her anywhere? Okay, can you go to the right? Hurry up. I don't know whether, I don't even know whether she drives or not. I think she drives because when we went to the club the other day, I think she picked Hillary up. Anyway, okay, I told her to meet here. We'll just... photo. That's where we had Mother's Day lunch. That's right. Not in the dustbin, that building. Okay. Stop, Ma.